garbage. I'm gonna use this. It is dinner time and we're going to prepare it this way. So my board, the nut kept coming out, so I am using a strap to support it. And just slide it on here. Beautiful. And I can tighten the strap. There we go. And I'm going to use the Dash 8-inch griddle. We're just gonna make pizza. This is actually gonna be a breakfast pizza. So use this, some cheese, eggs. Where's my other egg? And this as well. I've been obsessed with this lately. Lila, this is gonna be hot, so you cannot be here. Okay? No. No, ma'am. You've got to go back there. Thanks. I'll warm up one of these. Just gonna spray some butter on here. Should be good enough. Perfect. Ooh, that's very crumbly. Ooh, jeez. Okay. Give it a try. Whoa, that is really dry. Really dry. And I don't have a lot of sauce left. We'll make it work. Whatever. Okay. I will not buy this again. So cook the eggs. Yeah. I got a lot of eggshell in this, so that's good. That's gonna be real good. Don't do that. Don't cook like I cook. Probably gotten most of it, right? So with this one, we'll just do it a little bit more gently. I just want these scrambled. Alright, I'm sure my eggs are well done. We're going to unplug this for right now. Okay. That's fine. I'm going to... Oh, I got yolk on my... Oh, that's nice. That's really good, Rachel. Good enough. I should put this on this, but yeah, too late for all that. This will be good enough. That is going to be my motto, good enough. Okay, that's a lot of sauce, but this is very dry, so we'll be good. Okay, we're gonna call that done. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. Okay. Okay, let's give this a try. Here we are with our breakfast for dinner. Now, I have had the pizza sauce with eggs before, and it is very good. I like it. Hopefully there's no shells in there. It's kind of still hot. Just set that right there. Give this a little try-see here. I do not like that crust. It is not good. A regular tortilla would have just been fine. I don't know what they're doing with these, but it's a lot of bread. A lot of bread. Lila's had her dinner. Cholula. So I'm gonna finish this. This is what is on the menu. Lots of Cholula. And then put everything away. Just the same way that I got it out. And then we'll do something more productive and then go to bed. Everything else is good, except for the crust. Yeah. Take these off. It's finger food. I have neighbors. They're in a car with a rooftop tent. I don't know what kind of car because it's dark, but yeah. So this is how I cook inside of my car without even having to get out.